US-Iran crisis 2026, no deal in Geneva as war threat reaches boiling point. The diplomatic atmosphere in Geneva reached a boiling point on February 26, 2026, as US and Iranian delegations concluded their third round of indirect negotiations with no formal agreement. While Omani mediators spoke of significant progress and creative solutions, the reality on the ground remains grim as both nations maintain a hardline stance on core issues. The United States, led by Special Envoy Steve Witkoff and supported by Jared Kushner, is demanding the permanent dismantling of Iran's nuclear facilities at Fordow, Natanz, and Isfahan. Tehran has categorically rejected these terms, with Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi insisting that Iran will never surrender its right to peaceful enrichment or transfer its existing stockpile abroad. A major sticking point in the talks is the US demand to include Iran's ballistic missile program, a move Secretary of State Marco Rubio calls a big problem, as Iran refuses to discuss it. The negotiations are unfolding against the backdrop of the largest US military buildup in the Middle East since 2003, with two carrier strike groups, the US Abraham Lincoln and US Gerald R. Ford, now in the region. President Donald Trump has repeatedly warned that all options are on the table, framing the military armada as a deterrent against further Iranian escalation or internal crackdowns. In a dramatic escalation, the US Department of State has authorized the departure of non-essential government workers from Israel, signaling that a military strike may be imminent. Domestically, the Iranian regime is facing unprecedented pressure from nationwide pro-democracy protests that erupted in late 2025 following a sharp collapse of the Iranian rial. The US has openly supported these protesters, with President Trump promising that help is on its way, further straining the already fragile diplomatic channels in Geneva. Adding to the tension, the IAEA reported losing continuity of knowledge regarding Iran's sites after Israeli and US strikes in June 2025 damaged much of the infrastructure. Military analysts warn that the risk of a miscalculation is at an all-time high, especially as Iranian-backed Iraqi militias like Kataib Hezbollah have threatened a war of attrition. Despite the lack of a deal, technical-level talks are scheduled to resume in Vienna next week, though observers remain skeptical that a political breakthrough is possible. Regional powers like Saudi Arabia and the UAE have expressed concern, publicly stating they will not allow their territory to be used as a launchpad for any preemptive US strikes. The global oil market remains on edge, as any direct kinetic conflict in the Persian Gulf or the Strait of Hormuz could lead to a massive spike in energy prices and supply chain disruptions. Today's situation isn't just a regional dispute, it's a high-stakes game of chicken between a superpower and a regional power, where one wrong move could trigger a devastating broader war. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.